How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. Um, yeah, so this is really a crazy move BNED had. It's forming a nice hammer candle, and it's just like it's looking very bullish. And I really wish I would have saw this. You know, when in hindsight, everyone can say that. I was playing other plays. Like people in the Discord know, I was playing MTC, CTNT, and yeah, but with this system, I look for where should the bottoms be, and it's called the band strategy. If you guys are new to the channel, if you guys do watch it, this is just good reiterating knowledge, because when the stock makes a big move up, I'm going to focus on these kind of plays right here that I'm about to show you. I do alert only bottom reversal type of plays, and that's going to be when, for example, when right here, Barnes & Noble BNED was at the lower band, and then we look for a correction to the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Those EMA exponential moving averages, the EMA 5 is your shorter term. That's when it gets hit very fast. That's your purple. EMA 5, EMA 10 takes a little more time, and then EMA 20. So as you can see, when price gradually goes up there, it will hit it. And then here's the scary thing. When it hits your EMA 20, you got to be really cautious, because that's when price chooses to go a direction. Does it go up or does it go down? And there is no basis on knowing when. That's why I say, it's just safe to take the profits when it hits an EMA 20, because no one really knows. And that's where it makes the biggest moves. I had the KDJ under here. I use that as a stochastic oscillator. Anything that gets really like under 10 is extremely oversold, so I try to look for that. If you guys do want to have your charts set up like this, have my alerts, entries for bottom reversals of over a 95% win ratio, you can join the premium Discord down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It's only $6 a month. But let's talk about Barnes & Noble, the chart. What are we looking for, and where do we see this going? What I love about this is we know that price tends to sell off at the ATR of 4, which is this upper band. That is your average true range. No one should be buying here. Yes, you can make money. I've seen things go up to 6 ATR, 7 ATR. So if you bought it at 113 and you sold it at like 130 here, yes, you would have made some money. But the thing is, you're risking a big amount to the downside. So it is extremely risky. I only recommend doing that if you're day trading and have a defined stop loss. So as you can see, when price gets close to the upper band where my cursor is, it sells off. Where do we bounce? We bounce usually at the trampoline, which is your EMA 10. And it will do that a couple times. But this is why I said for people to be very, very cautious on BNED, because you know you have to hit the EMA 20. And I made a video about this before, because we can only milk the cow so many times. So we milk the cow right in here on the EMA 10. It goes all the way up. And what happens? It sells off. Where does it go back to? EMA 10. Where does it go? It goes up. Nobody knows how big the bounce is going to be. You just have to take conservative profits. So if it goes from 52 cents to around 80 cents, that's a nice gain, right? So that's a very beautiful gain. And so then guess what happens? The trampoline effect no longer happens. It hits the EMA 10 and goes right through it and hits the EMA 20. But this is your reversion to the mean. When you hit your EMA 20, you did everything you need to do for the reversion to the mean. We go down right here, another 3%, and we go down 20% on BNED. Let me look at the 15-minute candles here. As you can see, it made a monster move up right here after hours, if you could have caught that, and beautiful gains right here if you caught at these lows. I'm going to look at the 5-minute chart too. I love using 5-minute chart. For anybody that has my system, and if you see like candles like this hitting the lower band, it's very nice to hurry up and collect those for a move up. You can see right here, just from here, it has to do the intraday time frame. So if you were liking BNED, you would buy it right in here, and look what it goes to the EMA 5, 10, and 20, because that's your reversion to the mean on a smaller time frame. And so if you wanted to get down in here, like this right here was an entry, you can use that same principle as getting in on over here if you just miss this and use the same order, because usually what happens is a stock will hit a low and it retests it. That's what I see a lot. So let's say this right here, at this entry was the low, stocks rebound, and guess what happened? It goes all the way back down to retest, and this is your real move up. So don't ever get influxed with, oh, the FOMO, it's going up now, I have to get in. wait for that retest. So here's my analysis on BNED. It's been very, very precise here. We did the trampoline effect twice. I'm not going to ever play trampoline, 3 times. That's just crazy because they could easily go to the EMA 20 and under. I'm looking for setups that are under the EMA 20, just like this. So you have one right here. We're looking for time distance. We have not hit the EMA 5 in 1, 2, and 3 days here. So if we're looking at for stocks under the EMA 20, I want to see at least some time distance of not hitting the EMA 5. And then I want to see big black space. As you can see right in here on this candle, there's really not much black space that I like. This right here is an overreaction type of candle. It's well below the EMA 5. As you can see, it went to 25 cents. The EMA 5 is at 45. It's almost 100% return to the EMA 5. That's insane, right? So you see this overreaction, and now here's what's happening. I would love to get in early, even though this is looking like a bullish candle. It can very well get up there. I want to see another retest of this low for another nice entry. I might probably miss it, but this is looking really nice. Very bullish setup here. And how much volume? We have 39 million, so nice little volume there. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. For these big setups going down, if you don't play the EMA 10 once, you only play the EMA 10 once or twice max. Even twice is dicey. The third EMA 10 is going to go down and hit the EMA 20. And once it's creating a lot of black space in your chart under EMAs like this, this is when you look for that bounce to the EMA 5. And you have to have at least 2 to 3 days of EMA 5 distance. And that's what we have. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so that's the analysis on BNED. This is very bullish to the EMA 5 touch, and like I said, it had 100% gain if you got this from the lows. And if you look at the after hours on the 15-minute chart, it did a 30%, over 30% move in 15 minutes. Look at this. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. Look how insane this is. It just goes up. But as you can see, even on a very small time frame, we respect these upper bands, and we hit what? The trampoline effect right here, and then we go down, hit the upper band, and we go down. But obviously, it's a very small time frame. It doesn't have much significance. So, yep, this is BNED. Congrats whoever got this lows. I'll be eyeing this one if it goes and retest a low and for a move up. If you guys want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day, this is your chance to get in. Lock yourself into a deal of a lifetime. And what you're going to get is a lot of stuff. But if you want to join, click the link down below into the YouTube comments. I'll have a pinned message that says, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It's going to be pinned. You can't miss it. What will happen is when you come in, you'll be in a free chat landing page. Everybody in green is subscribed. And if you want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe. Read avoid scammers. There's going to be a lot of people impersonating me, using my logo and trying to message you. Remember, I will never DM you first, and I only sell the $6 a month service. So, if you head on over to the subscriptions tab under subscriptions and hit premium chat, you will see that you'll be opted in to subscribe for $6 a month. So, if you do subscribe, you unlock all these channels. It's not $6 each channel. You literally unlock all the channels for only $6. I cannot reiterate how good of this deal is because I'm here to grow accounts at least 50% a month. That is a very conservative, and I'm telling you, for that price, you can well make over $6. Keep in mind, if you do subscribe on computer, it is only $6. If you do it on your phone, it will charge you a little slight more because you have to pay the iOS fee. It's like $1 or $2 or more. So do try to do it on computer if you can. What you're going to get is RTK swing trades. You're going to get my exact entries and exits on my things. So it's going to look like this. You get a notification on your phone when you enter and exit. Art education videos I'll upload here and there. All my videos in here that I think are very important to watch. I highly recommend you watch it. And then RTK Journal is where you're going to see my actual trades with my stocks and averages that I'm in. So you never have to know what stocks I'm in. For my bottom reversal type of plays, I have an over 95% win ratio. I'm going to put my stocks that I alert in RTK swing trades and put them in my journal, and you can see what I'm in. I hope you guys really like this analysis on BNED. This is technical analysis that makes sense and that works. We know price goes up to the ATR 4, it sells off. Most stocks do that. Can it go higher? Yes. but it's going to take some very nice news to do that. We are looking for stocks that go below the EMA 20 and have time distance of that EMA 5 for a recovery back to that short-term reversion to the mean and have massive black space with a massive distance to that EMA 5. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to join the premium Discord, do take the time to join it. It's only $6 a month, and you're not going to regret it. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. It helps the algorithm if you engage, and I read all your comments. And peace out. I'll see you guys in the Discord.